Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Face Recognition under Fingerprint and enter your current login method. After that, read all of the instructions and all of the disclaimers. Then hit Done at the bottom. After that, you can disable or enable Raise to Wake feature by tapping on this little dot. Lastly, tap on Create Now and keep your face in frame. Now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!